Hey folks, Josh Beasley here with Honest Abe Log Homes. We're out on the yard today, taking a look around, going around and talking to some of the guys. And if you just look here and pan around a little bit, we've got a lot of packages of materials stacked up and staged, waiting to be delivered. So these are parts and pieces, some holes of people's homes that are going to get delivered out on the job site. And before they can get all bundled up, we've got to cut the logs out and we've got to get things ready. So we're going to take a walk inside here and take a look. The guys that you can see kind of working here in the background, there's three guys at this station that help cut out the packages. The first one, Thomas, has been here since 1985, so been here a long time. There's not many log homes that Honest Abe has produced that Thomas hasn't had a direct hand in making. So a lot of experience there. Chris, the next fella down, has been here about 25 years. Again, he's putting notches and different parts onto the log, and then it gets graded as it goes through there, stacked, and it's ready to be shipped. So we're not only providing logs for the walls of a log home, but there's a lot of other materials that go along with it as well. So Mike Tackett, Mike Cure, he ends up getting a lot of those other materials together, rafters and beams, different like tongue and groove, different types of wood components, and he starts bringing all those together into individual bundles as well. So this bundle in particular is some 24-foot roof rafters, and this package is getting ready to go to Alaska. So Mike's going through it, checking over, making sure that everything's there, and bundling it up for a very long truck ride.
Hard work here, but this is kind of where a lot of it happens, right? We're taking some rough timbers, and you're
going through S4S patterns and this and that.
Yeah. So S4S is just like what Molly showed on the other side. We're just planing the tops and the bottoms all the way around, right? Jimmy, you're catching it off the other end.
Yeah, I do.
Get it stacked up and get it ready to go. But this is quite an operation to have. I mean, you're doing a lot manually with this, moving between the profiles, because this doesn't just do square timbers, right? No. You're doing logs.
We do logs. We got patterns right there. You see 8x8 logs, round logs, just all of it.
So all of the log profiles that Honest Abe manufactures, these two guys right here have pretty well personally handled the log as it comes through. They mill it. They make sure that that the machine, the winding molder planer, is milling out those logs the way that they should. And this is really the first step of quality control. And these are the guys that make it happen.